Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. As you can see, I've got two awesome Warwick basses here. I've got a custom shop thumb bolt-on and a German Pro Series thumb bolt-on. While I love both of them and I play them both often, I wanted to compare them tonally to see if the improved build quality and cost of the custom shop is really worth it compared to a standard factory instrument. For reference, I'll list the differences between the two basses here on the screen. And there are some notable highlights. First off, the custom shop has a Bubinga back bird's eye poplar top and a Wenge fretboard and neck, while the Pro Series has a full Ovencall body, an Ovencall neck, and a Wenge fretboard. Secondly, the custom shop has bronze frets and a brass nut, while the Pro Series has brass frets and a plastic nut. And lastly, I'll note that the electronics and the pickups are the same between the two. So without further ado, let's compare the raw DI sound of both basses with different EQ settings and pickup configurations. Unless I'm using high-end in-ear monitors and actively listening for a difference, I'll be honest, they sound pretty much the same to me. If I have to nitpick, I think the custom shop has a little more of that natural compression that's characteristic of thumb basses, where the lows aren't as boomy and the highs are a little less shrill. But again, to me, it's an extremely marginal difference. I do, however, think the tone of both thumbs is substantially improved when you use a cab sim. So here I'll keep the EQ flat, but I'll add the Neural DSP B7K cab sim, and let's see how that makes the two basses sound. Everything so far has been only bass and drums, and I'm personally always more interested in how a bass sounds in a full mix. So here I'll do 2 more sound clips comparing the thumbs with some guitar in the background. And I think you'd be pretty hard pressed to tell a difference. So there you have it. I've made my thoughts known, but I don't know, can you hear the difference between the 2 thumbs, either in a mix or alone? Let me know in the comments. For me, the custom shop still takes the cake for some non-tonal features that I really love. First off, the neck. Even though the 2 models have the same stated neck profile, the custom shop is slightly thicker. Even with my extremely unscientific measurement method here, there's a slight difference, and it's enough to feel. The custom shop neck is just right for me, while the thinner Pro Series is almost approaching Ibanez territory. Also, I love the texture of the open grain Wenge neck on the custom shop. Again, this is completely subjective, but the Wenge neck really does have that wooden texture, while the Ovencall is a lot smoother and a little less fun to hold. I don't know if it's because of the thicker neck and denser neck, but I find the custom shop to be more stable and resistant to seasonal fluctuations. I have to adjust the truss rod a lot more on the Pro Series, and I can also get the action a lot lower on the custom shop, which makes it easier to do fast runs, although with a bit of fret buzz, but I don't personally mind. Lastly, the rechargeable battery on the custom shop is a huge plus. It's much easier and reassuring to just plug into an outlet instead of having to swap batteries. More importantly, you get an actual indicator of when the battery is low. It doesn't just die on you. So ultimately, do I think the additional cost is worth it? Well, if you have the funds, yeah. If you see a master build or a custom shop used, I'd vouch for that over a new Pro Series. But at the end of the day, you can't go wrong with either one. You'll get that unmistakable thumb growl either way, as you heard. So thank you so much for watching and sticking around. I'm sure you'll be seeing these 2 basses in some more Good Simon gear videos soon. Thanks.